this is flat renovation update, day 71. It's definitely been a while since I've done an update, so let's take a look around and see what has been done. So as you will see, in this area over here, we finally have cupboards. Let's take a closer look. We've got this cupboard, we've got hanging space over here, but I think this should be shelving. We've got drawers, we've got more cupboards over here. We've got this corner cupboard, which opens up like this. And we've got this cupboard. And we've also got all the cupboards up on top there. There's a quick look. Okay, let's just close the cupboards. And over here, we've got the bed base and the bed, as you can see. And we've got the floating bedside tables installed. There's the couch, still covered to keep it clean. And that's the new light that I think I've shown you guys. Yeah, but that's it. I mean, I should be finished now. Just need some plumbing work done in the bathroom, fixing some broken taps. But I'm basically done at this point. I think I just need to have a look at the grouter and it's a bit messed up. But that's it. One more thing, I forgot to show you something very exciting. Check, we have a cupboard on top over here. Check this out. Very, very nice. Very nice indeed.